Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to increase virtual RAM in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to increase virtual RAM on your Windows, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your settings, and in settings, just go to system, scroll down, look for about section, click on about, further scroll down, and here you will see the option of advanced system settings. Just click on this. You might see this type interface. Now under advanced and in performance, you will see the option of settings. Click on this, then click on advanced again. Now here you will see the option of virtual memory, and it is set it to be almost 1 GB. You just have to click on change, and here just uncheck this box which says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Disable this, and here select custom size. Now here you have to enter your initial size and maximum size. I'm gonna enter my one.